integration of advanced robotics and skilled human expertise allows for unparalleled precision in modern aircraft construction.
Check the alignment on section 4.
Looks good from here. Ready for the next panel.
All right, bring it down slowly. Copy that. Watching the clearance on the starboard side. Are the stabilizers ready for installation?
Almost. Just finishing the alignment check now.
Check the connection on the green wire.
It's secure. Hand me the torque wrench.
Bring that section down slowly. Watch the clearance on the winglet.
Clear on the left.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side clearance. Looks good here. Hold it steady.
Check the torque settings on the starboard tailplane.
Reading nominal, supervisor.
We are clear for the next sequence.
The thermal diagnostics again.
Data stream is nominal. All systems are green. Gear is indicating down and locked. Confirming green parameters across the board.
I'm stabilizing the jack now.
Ensure the pressure reads correctly before we proceed.
Airspeed stabilizing at 100 knots, flaps 20.
Confirmed. Gear pressure looks good.
Check the leading edge flaps on the left wing.
Looks good. We're clear for the tow to position C.
Clear the area. We are ready to start the base coat on the nose. Clear the area. We are ready to start the base coat on the nose.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Reading steady at 40 psi.
Watch the masking near the cockpit.
From the earliest design concepts to the precision engineering of the prototype, our process ensures unparalleled quality and craftsmanship.
Check the pressure on the hydraulics. Reading green, static at 3,000.
Beacon on. Starting procedures initiated.
Copy that.
Monitoring engine parameters. Flaps set for takeoff.
Set. Green light.
Clear left, clear right.
Its cabin is characterized as a roomy and incredibly quiet, which is optimized for comfort, efficiency, and elegance.
Tilings. These business jets have strong isorid structures made from the finest quality aeronautical aluminum.
the torque on the lower bracket.
It's set to 80 Newton meters.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on the starboard side.
The thermal sensors are reading correctly. This is where the future of aviation takes shape. Every
Falcon 8X, offering the longest range in the fleet, coupled with unparalleled landing capabilities, bringing you closer to your destination.
Navigational data looks nominal. Runway parameters are set, ready for simulated departure on 27 right. From rigorous flight testing in the simulator to the meticulous assembly of components, we ensure precision at every step.
From the initial designs here in the office to the final assembly on the factory floor, precision is paramount.
Check the connection on the auxiliary line.
Looks secure from here. We should be clear for the next phase.
We need the starboard panels secured by 1500.
Roger that. Finishing up the hydraulics now.
From the precise application of paint by the gantry system to the meticulous interior installation, every step is crucial.
Check the wiring harness right here.
Looks secure. Log the inspection point as complete.
Here at the D-Space facility, we integrate simulation and hardware testing to ensure the highest levels of safety and performance.
Copy that. The pressure differential looks stable. We're clear for the next phase of testing.
Check the fuselage temperature sensor readings now.
Holding steady at -40, sir.
Power curve looks good on the auxiliary systems.
The Honda Jet Elite 2 combines advanced technology with unparalleled luxury. From the state-of-the-art cockpit to